Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a window regulator and motor for a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Should apply to all of the WJ body style, but so first off you want to take the door panel off, which if you don't know how to do that you probably shouldn't be changing this part. I already took out these 3 bolts here. This is what it looks like. So those 3 bolts are these 3. They're 8mm. And then unplug the power cord. Probably do that first. And to do that, there's this little red clip here. Well, pull it out towards the top with your nail. And then you want to take these bolts out. Alright, so now that I have those bolts out, this whole mechanism back here is just kind of flopping around freely. And I have my window wedged up. And so I'm going to pull these out, and there should be a clip on it. It should look a little something like this. It's a clip with the metal pin in it, I guess you could call. Focus. It's basically, I'm going to lower the window down so I have more access to this. I'm going to pull it out, and then the window will fall freely. Make sure you don't drop it. Actually, there's 2 clips, one on each side holding it on. So I was originally not going to pull out the speaker here, but now I have. I got the one pulled out, and I'm going to pull the other one out. Basically, I'm taking just a small screwdriver and it's kind of reaching back there. Pull it out. Try not to drop it in there on that side because it'd be a pain to get out. You want to make sure your window is wedged up or held up, but luckily there's enough duct tape residue on mine that it kind of just holds itself there. So once you get those pins out, it should fall out. Just kind of pull it out, finagle it. Probably a proper way to do this. I don't know what it is. Not a technician, but yep, and there's where mine has broken. Just frayed the wire right off the end there. If it'll focus. Alright, so now that this is out, it's time to put the new one in. Also, this metal bracket here was getting caught up on the bottom lip. Some bottom lip in here, I can't find it now. Yeah, I was getting hung up on it, that's all I needed was 2 hands, so. You do not make this easy to do one-handed. Okay. I'm gonna slide it up. Alright, if there's anybody out there that can do this one-handed, I salute you. So I'm not one of those people, apparently. Alright, so as soon as I used 2 hands, it went right up in there. Basically, you want to line the holes up. Oh, lost them. Start with the ones that actually attach to the bracket, and then push the motor out. Well, unlike what I did, you probably want to get the power lead for the motor on the correct side. So that way it feeds out the little hole here, and you can plug it back in. You know, power windows don't work without power. Also, another heads up. The motor I pulled out of mine has this plastic bracket with plastic holes, and the screws that came out of it are actual screws if it focuses, and the new one is all metal, at least the bracket is. So basically you should probably find the right bolts, but I'm just gonna hammer these in there. It's kind of how she goes, and snake this out. Snake this out. Alright, update on these screws. They thread in just fine. They kind of make their own threads, but there's no, the threads don't go all the way to the head. So they are in there, but they wobble around. I'll let you know if it ends up working or not. Hopefully it does instead of just sliding up or something, but we'll see. I got these tightened down, all these, and I pulled the pins out on the new clips. And now I'm gonna drop the window down and put the window pegs into the holes and put the clips back in and see what happens.